Hello lovely, thank you for clicking onto this video. My name is Julie. If you are new here, if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today is Saturday and we are going to the beach, me and my friend, and we will take you along, so come with us to the beach. Enjoy the vlog, lovely. We decided to make a stop and have viazi karai since we were so hungry. We haven't had lunch, so we are just here taking viazi karai and uji. Yeah, at a random mama pika viazi karai. You know how they slap. Our viazi karais are here. Yani I tell you, tuko na kauji hapo kando, uji wa ngano, huu uji huslap. Yani viazi za huyu mama, just by the look they are so good. For those who don't understand, these are fried potatoes, yeah, with a bit of wheat. They are so good, guys. If you come to Coast, this is one of the dishes that Coastarians usually have. I mean, you don't want to miss this. Just taste, just see by the look of it. This is pili pili. It has been sprinkled. Yeah, without this pili pili, these viazis are not even sweet. Yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah, right now tunatumia the process of kuvurunya, you know. That's how we eat around here. Yeah, by hands. They were so hot, so we were just like poishering them. Yeah, just like that. Me and my friend, we really enjoyed this meal. We were so hungry and we needed this before going to the beach. We wanted to go and have a swim. Yeah, we were in the process of teaching ourselves how to swim, so we took this opportunity to come grab these viazis real quick and uji, guys. Ilitushika tumbo. When we went there, it was a walkover, you know what I mean. Yeah, we had a great day. Yeah, just hang around and just see what I have for you. Yeah, they are so delicious. Welcome. Geuka useme hello. Shelly. Welcome to Shell's after fun. Yeah.
never like swim in this place.
Really? Where do you normally swim?
You two are full of shit.
We are making shrimps today. Me and my friend decided to have this. She has never had this, so I wanted to make them for her so that she can try out.
What else? Secret service around here. Not too much about it. Over the holidays. No cooking.
Your girlfriend is dead. Did they do that? Think about it.